Hello, hello, hello. Happy Easter. It is Easter 2025. I thought I would come out here and do a quick little update on the corn. If any of you had watched my earlier video where I was attempting to grow corn for the first time, so I thought I better get an update. But real quick, I wanted to take a little walk in here to show something right over here. This is in Central Florida, Zone 9B, and we are in our drought. And it's hot right now. And no rain. Everything is dry, so I'm having to water every other day. But let's take a little walk in here and look at these beauties. Look at them. I did not plant a single tomato this year. And I have so many cherry tomatoes. It is insane. Look at these beauties. I don't even know what kind they are. I do know I have a lot of the, oh jeez, I had the name and I can't think of it. Look at them. So I discovered these garbanzo bags, I think they're called. People use them for like weddings, and oh, they are great. I originally got them for my blackberries over there as the blackberries are coming in. And they are just awesome. I've been putting them on my tomatoes, on my peppers. They're so simple. Just put it on there, pull the drawstring, and it's done. And it is completely protected. So I'm going to come in here and protect all these beauties. I mean, look how perfect. I have no idea what variety of cherry tomatoes these are. I cannot wait to have some of these in my salad. Yes, look at, and I have more growing down there, and then this one. Now this over here, Everglades, that's what it is. This is a massive, massive slew of Everglade tomatoes that came up on their own. I have been harvesting off of this for weeks. Not just us, but the chickens absolutely love them. It has been loaded with tomatoes. I can't even keep up with this one. I tried in the beginning, as you can see, to stake it up and tie it up, but they just were growing so fast I couldn't control it. So I just let it go. Just let nature do its thing. Look at them all down there. This thing is loaded, and granted, I have been picking tomatoes off like crazy. I have honeybees everywhere. A lot of them come from the jasmine. So while we're here, let's take a peeky poo at the corn. I just had to put this little trellis up for this guy here growing that I did not plant. And I know I've planted it before, but how it got over here I don't know. And I think it's either a loofah or a birdhouse gourd, because I tried to grow them both last year. And how it got over here in this garden, I have no idea, because I didn't plant it. I love it. So I just put this temporary little trellis up. It'll give it something to vine on, and it's also gonna give it a little shade. And here is the corn. It looks nice and lush, doesn't it? That's because everything else is growing but the corn. I don't think this bed has sat long enough and was ready for the corn. That is what I'm guessing. I just don't think it decomposed enough, you could say. This was the best I got here. There you have it. There's another one here. Yep. But it was a learning experience. Look, there's one down there that tried to come out. The beans, as you can see, the beans are, oops, oh my goodness. The beans are loving it. I just threw in, there's black bean and black-eyed peas, I believe. I just threw some beans in here to try and get some nitrogen into the soil. And that over there is my compost. That's my, well, I could say my homemade fertilizer. And as you can see, the beans are loving it. Look at this. Look at the size of these leaves. This one's getting the most compost. The most of that homemade fertilizer, I mean. Everything else is doing wonderful. The corn did not succeed. I might have got, I did a little research on which variety to grow here. I can't remember what I got, but the first attempt is a failure. I kind of expected. I'm okay with it. I'm going to let this bed continue for the summer, and I will try again in the fall. But everything else is growing fantastic. Like I said, the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, my pomegranate. This I grew from seed in the grocery store. I have sweet potato everywhere, always. This guy, I'm not sure what it is yet. But I have lots going on. It's papaya season. It's cranberry hibiscus. All my ginger, turmeric's been coming up. And I've been picking a lot of papaya. But anyways, that's the corn. I mean, there's some still growing, and I'm going to leave them be and just let them do their thing. And when they're all done, toil them all into the soil to help feed the soil more. Because this bed here I created from Hurricane Milton. There was a lot of branches, yard waste, and then I put a big load of that compost, which is actually just from a stump, a grind up stump. So yeah, look at this little thing. Ooh, he's kind of freaky looking. See how close they get. Woohoo! But there's an update. My beans are doing awesome. So that's not a complete waste. The marigolds like it. I have some Vicks plant grown in there, a new papaya I planted, and a new Musa banana. So yeah, I just want to do a quick update on the corn. It's a boo, but that's okay. It's one step closer to a yay. I'll try again in the fall. So happy Easter and go grow something from Central Florida. See ya.